Check it, check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words. As always, before getting to this very quick video, please continue to hit that subscribe button down there if you do enjoy the content. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Here we are, troops. Monday, the 23rd of January, 2023. Seems like an age since the market was open. Quite a long weekend now. Anyway, good week last week. I felt it was quite positive. Obviously, there was some runners in that GNS and HLBZ, and people coming out making statements about what they're going to be doing to confront short sellers and blah blah blah. So it was quite an interesting week, shall we say? But for our tickers in particular, AMC, APE, and GameStop, it was a powerful week. Now, I do want to start this video just by saying that for all those people who bash technical analysis and say it doesn't work on manipulated stocks, well, I'm sorry, but I think it does. If we look at the levels, as we're going to on my chart, you'll see where we've bounced off them. So, and also if you're going to say technical analysis doesn't work on manipulated stocks, then nothing works on manipulated stocks, does it? So you can't then say, oh, GameStop's got a good turnaround plan, or AMC's going to be diversifying into this, that, and the other. Because if it's manipulated, it's manipulated, and no matter what happens externally, technical analysis, company fundamentals, blah blah blah, the manipulation is going to be there. So that's my take on it. That's why I like doing the TA stuff and watching the charts. Anyway, rant over, let's crack on. So AMC, we closed the week at $5.52 last week, which last Friday, which was a net gain of 0 on the day. So that's manipulation right there, when it opens at a price and it closes at exactly the same price. That for me is, it's just blatant manipulation. But anyway, we've got back into that channel, troops, that $5, which was the lower end of the channel, up to 640, which is the upper end. And you can see here, we've absolutely bounced off of that level. We actually closed at 565. That can't be right there. 546, is it? No, it's not right. Anyway, we closed close to that. Oh yeah, we did. Yeah, we closed down there. Sorry, but you can see the high. We went above it. We wicked above it, but we bounced off it. Average about 640. So again, technical analysis. Say what you want. The same here on the lower end. On the Tuesday, we absolutely bounced off that lower end there. And again, here you can see touching, tracking the lines. So yeah, it is what it is, troops. But I'm glad that we're back over that $5 mark, and we seem to be Thursday, Friday last week in a bit of a consolidation phase there. If you look at the charts, you see those last 2 days a little bit undecided as to which way it's going to go, which is set out by those candles there. APE, pretty much the same. We've bounced right off that 119 area. For those that watch my pre-Christmas announcement, where I said if it's still trading below $1 on the first day of the new trading year, then I'm going to be selling. Well, it didn't happen, did it? It opened. Where were we? First day of the year. There we go. It opened at $1.41. So we've been nicely working our way back up since there, troops. So actually, I'm ready for finding another level now, and I think we're going to be about there. If I go back here as well, what we got there? And a couple of touch points there. Maybe there is a good one. There's a good one. So 186, 187. Let's stick a line in there. Troops, where we get a few touches. Is that going in? Oh, what's going on today, Marco? What's happening? Oh, horizontal line, don't I? That's why. God, it has been a long weekend, troops, I tell you. Right. Let's put it there, 190. Let's say 190. We've got 1, 2, 3 touch points, 4 touch points, 5, 6, 7 good touch points there, troops. That's a good reference. So 190, the next level for me on APE. Let's see if we can break that. But again, we're in that range, 120 to 190. So we have tested that 120 a couple of times. So I'm quite happy now that that is a new level of support, and we need to come up and test this resistance again. Over to GameStop, similar story, troops. Again, people saying about technical analysis doesn't work. We put this line in last week, $22, I said, something like that. 21.96 or whatever it was. I said it was close to $22. And last week we hit a high of $22.15 on the Wednesday. And then I think, if I remember rightly, I've not watched my video back, but I did say I expect us to come back down and test this area again, which we did. So what I'm looking for now is to regain this area here like we were here, see if we can stay within this trading zone, get some accumulation going and see where that takes us. But I was a really positive week last week. I was really excited by it. Obviously with GameStop, there's a lot of talk about these deep out the money puts, which expired last week. So I'm interested to see if anything happens with that. Again, we don't do hype here, troops. We don't do dates. We do follow what's going on, but we don't buy into all that. Oh, we're going to moon because these puts have expired and it's part of a swap and it's the end of the 2-year swap validity period, blah, blah, blah. So, take from that what you will. Watch it. I'm not discounting it, as I don't, want people to discount technical analysis. I don't discount other theories, but I'm just watching the levels. So the levels this week, again, $22 on GameStop. See if we can maintain that $19 and where have we got it marked up at? Around about $19.50 area as the lower end of support. APE up to 190 is what we're looking for to test that next level of resistance. And AMC again back up to 640, 502 now, $5 let's say as a new area of support. So that's it, troops. That's what I've got for you going into this week. I will be watching the markets. I am excited to see what happens. And that is it for this one, troops. So as usual, wherever you are in the world, do take care of yourselves and each other. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.